demolitionist, I ain't lying. Taking control and I'm bipping the ride. Praying you stay right here by my side, okay, let's go. Can't never enclose me, I don't do lines. You losing my trust, I'm done with the lies. Testing my faith, I just say it's fine, I want you at home. It's best if I keep quiet with the spirit of notice I'm taking these drugs, trying to get on my mind. Try to stay on a swivel, that brain in the mind.
Y'all be great at that line.
I be ducking the law, getting tired of flying. Stay down, guarantee that you bound to get shot. Looking for ways in the world that be full of the grind. Y'all don't be shit, I be keeping the signs. JV be the tag, known for the vibe. Can't even probation secure me inside. Only women in my eyes is touching the sky. Baby got on her black spec, she faking the shot. Here in my eyes, tell her ring with a guy. You staring, say that I'm losing my smile. If you ain't feeling the chain, I'ma stick to this pride. All black with all black with a ski and crib by spot. Way I'm bumping this gun, leave him nowhere to hide. Send him a spook, get a poke at his spine. That 300 be really one of a kind. Make a bullet, a bell, really give it a chance. Living life is a demolitionist, I ain't lying. Taking control and I'm bipping the ride. Praying you stay right here by my side, okay, let's go. Can't never enclose me, I don't do lines. You losing my trust, I'm done with the lies. Be testing my faith, I just say it's fine, I want you back home.